Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building a RAG Application. Your first smart search bot with external data. Ever wished a chatbot knew your specific company documents? Or today's news? Large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT are amazing. But they have limitations, they don't know everything. Especially your private or very recent data. This is where RAG comes in. We're going to build a smart search bot that knows your stuff, making AI truly useful for your unique needs. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Think of it like this. You ask a question. Instead of just guessing, a super librarian, the asterisk retrieval part, first quickly finds the asterisk most relevant books from a massive library you provided. Then, it gives those specific books to a brilliant writer, the asterisk generation part, our LLM, and asks the writer to answer only based on those books. This makes the answer accurate and specific to your information. This is where we teach our bot to read and remember your data. As developers, we'll 1. Prepare your data. Gather all the information you want your bot to know, documents, PDFs, web pages. 2. Create embeddings, the smart index cards. We convert every piece of your text into a special list of numbers called an embedding. Think of this like creating a unique smart index card for each piece of information. Cards with similar topics will have very similar numbers. 3. Store in a vector database, the super organized library. We store all these smart index cards, embeddings, in a special database called a vector database. When you ask a question, we convert your question into its own smart index card. And then the vector database quickly finds all the asterisk most similar smart index cards from your data. Once the retrieval part finds the most relevant information, our books or documents, we don't just stop there. As developers, we then 1. Extract context. Take the asterisk original text corresponding to those smart index cards found in the previous step. This is the factual basis for our answer. 2. Craft a smart prompt. We then create a special message, a prompt, for our large language model, LLM. This prompt includes your original question and asterisk all the relevant information we just retrieved. We tell the LLM, here's a question, and here's some information. Please answer the question only using the provided information. This ensures the LLM stays on topic and doesn't make things up. RAG isn't just a cool trick. It solves real-world problems for developers. Accuracy and trust dramatically reduces hallucinations when LLMs make up facts, because it's grounded in your real data. Up-to-date knowledge. LLMs are trained on old data. RAG lets you inject the latest information instantly without retraining the entire model. Private and specific data. Your LLM can now answer questions about your company's internal documents or personal notes securely. Cost-effective. No need to spend millions retraining a huge LLM every time your data changes. You just update your library. Vector database. Explainability. You can often show which source document the LLM used to generate its answer, increasing trust and transparency. Let's put it all together from a developer's perspective. 1. Prepare and chunk data. Gather your documents, e.g., PDFs, articles, and break them into smaller pieces. 2. Embed data. Use an embedding model, a small AI tool, to convert each piece into its numerical smart index card. Embedding. 3. Store in VectorDB. Save all these embeddings and their original text pieces in a vector database, e.g., Pinecone, ChromaDB. 4. User asks question. A user types their query. 5. Embed query. Convert the user's question into its own smart index card embedding. 6. Retrieve relevant chunks. Query your vector database to find the top X most similar smart index cards and their original text chunks to the user's question. 7. Augment prompt. Combine the user's question with the retrieved text chunks into a single, well-structured prompt. 8. Generate answer. Send this augmented prompt to a powerful LLM, e.g., OpenAI GPT, Anthropic Claude, and get the answer. The possibilities with RAG are vast. Your smart search bot can be used for customer support chatbots. Instantly answer customer questions based on your product manuals and FAQs. Internal knowledge bases. Employees can quickly find answers in company policies, HR documents, or technical specs. Personal research assistants. Summarize and answer questions from your own collection of research papers or articles. Educational tools. Create a bot that can answer questions about specific course materials or textbooks. Legal document analysis. Quickly find precedents or relevant clauses in vast legal archives. You've learned the core concepts of RAG. You now understand how to give powerful AI models access to * your specific knowledge, making them incredibly useful and accurate. In the next lessons, we'll dive into the actual code, how to prepare data, choosing and using embedding models, setting up a vector database, and connecting everything to an LLM to build your very own RAG application. Get ready to build your first smart search bot. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.